Hey there, welcome to today's video where we tackle a common problem that many users may encounter. The issue at hand is whether it's possible to edit EFI boot entries, specifically the boot order, directly from within Windows. While Windows 11 does provide these options in recovery mode, it's not the most convenient way to handle the problem. We're on a quest for a simpler and more straightforward solution that doesn't require a restart every time we need to tweak the boot order. Now, let's dive into the solution for our boot entry editing dilemma. To achieve this, we'll be working with global EFI parameters configured through the FubeMember object. The key players here are boot order, which corresponds to the display order parameter, and boot next, that's mapped to boot sequence. It's important to note that these parameters utilize GUIDs from the BCD representation of EFI entries obtained from enum firmware. The code snippet that will be our guiding light in this process is bstd set FubeMember display order some GUID here add first. This command will help us update the boot order swiftly and efficiently. In summary, we've learned how to easily manage EFI boot entries, specifically the boot order, from within Windows. By utilizing the bsd command and understanding the FubeMember object, we can navigate through this task seamlessly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts. Remember, a well-organized boot order is the key to a smooth sailing system.